Picture 4 small machines on a single desk, each one polite and particular, each one essential. The first is Obsidian, which already knows everything you know. The second is the Copilot plugin, a chat sidebar that folds neatly into your notes. The third is Ollama, a quiet daemon humming in the background of your operating system. And the fourth is a pair of models, one for chatting, one for embedding your pages into retrievable little parcels. Put all 4 on the desk, and your vault begins to speak. There is one trap. Before the daemon starts, you must whisper a magic word to it. Ollama origins, set to app://obsidian.md*, or the browser inside Obsidian will refuse to talk, and you will spend an afternoon blaming the wrong thing. Cores, a small word for a large evening. 5 steps, beautifully finite. Install Ollama. Pull a chat model and an embedder. Set the origin. Install Copilot inside Obsidian and point it at localhost. Index your vault. Then ask it something only your notes would know. What did I decide about the pricing page in March? Summarize every meeting with Maria. Your notes are the brain. The local model is the mouth. Your data never leaves the desk.